The 6-episode docuseries will follow the aspiring offspring of musical legends including Damon Dash, Reverend Run, El DeBarge and Paper. WeTV is looking for its own empire. The female-driven AMC Network's owned cable network has handed out a 6-episode order to docuseries Growing Up Hip-Hop, The Hollywood Reporter has learned. From Entertainment One, the series will explore the real stories behind some of hip-hop's most well-known figures and their famous offspring. Each episode will focus on how their children are challenged with maintaining their own identity while evolving the hip-hop sound and culture they came from. Russell Simmons shooting TV pilot, producing rap opera, and spending millions on movies set to participate are music legends Damon Dash, Reverend Run, Russell Simmons, Master P, El DeBarge and Paper and their offspring. Romeo Miller is a musician, actor, formerly known as Lil Romeo, and the son of Master P. He's on track to take over the music empire his father built, but is that really his path or will he veer off course? He consistently leans on close friend Angela for guidance and support. Angela Simmons, the daughter of rap pioneer Reverend Run and niece of Russell Simmons, is a hip-hop socialite, model and fashion designer of her own line, Foofy. Angela is a social media powerhouse who's hoping to translate her fashion success into dollars away from the comfort of her father's fortunes. Damon Boogie Dash is the namesake of his father, Rockefeller co-founder and media mogul Damon Dash. Like father like son, Boogie is also an entrepreneur, having co-founded Chips Cookies as well as a record label and NYC Art Gallery.